Production demand may fluctuate from one quarter to the next, putting operators on the factory floor under pressure to deliver quality parts consistently while running at maximum capacity. Even with accurate forecasts, purchasing order intakes may increase suddenly, and adequate capacity planning can help turn these fluctuations into profitable opportunities. Scaling production capacity starts with reducing cycle times. Whether it's for manual, semi-automated, or entirely autonomous screwdriving machine cell, the quicker a manufacturer can feed and drive the fasteners, the more products come off the line during each shift. So, one solution to consider to reduce cycle times is our Feed While You Drive technology. Feed While You Drive is a screw-driving system that sends the next fastener to the drill bit through a feed head, reducing the cycle time of each drive operation. The next screw or fastener is already available for the bit to engage once the previous driven operation completes. The swivel screw feed arm integrates directly with the feed head, holding the fastener in place, ready to be driven as the previous operation completes. There is no delay between the next fastener arriving and the bit returning to its next driving position. Weber's Feed While You Drive solutions help shave 2 to 3 seconds off the best cycle times for both manual and automated screw driving assembly operations.